y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a new video. Today I'm going to do a luxury shoe unboxing, but before we get started, if it is your first time watching, please hit the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, don't forget to hit the like button. Anyway y'all, let's just get right into today's video. Recently I was on the Nordstrom app like I always am, and a pair of sandals actually caught my attention. All right y'all, so let's unbox this sandal. This is what the box looks like. Y'all know that already. This is the top part. And on the inside, these are what the sandals look like. Let's take one out so I can show you exactly what the sandal is. It's a flat sandal. This is what it looks like. I feel like it is so different. And as you see, it has straps across, and it has Christian Louboutin written across each strap, and also it has the CL right there in the middle. Looking at it, it kind of looks like this would be adjustable, but it is not. And at the bottom of the shoe, you see the Louboutin written across, and these sandals were only they was $450. I was about to say 500. No, they were $450. And the crazy thing about this sandal, which I thought was weird, when I was looking at sandals on Nordstrom's app, these kept popping up under women's shoes, but actually this is not a woman's sandal. This is a sandal that was made for a man. When I first ordered these, because I thought these were like normal women's sandals, I ordered a size 9, and when I got the shoe, it was actually too big, so I ended up returning it, and I got a size 7, and this is like the perfect fit. I will of course insert a shot of how these look, but y'all, I just think these are so cute. These are different. Again, you see the Louboutin written on the inside. I feel like you can't beat that price, $450. And also inside the box, it does come with a dust bag. I almost forgot to show y'all. And this is the dust bag that it comes with. Like, I feel like these would be so comfortable. They would be easy to walk in for a long period of time. And these also come in all white as well. I think they're like all white, kind of trimmed in red, where the whole entire shoe is white. The straps is white also, and of course the bottom of it would be red. After finishing the video, I realized I never said the exact name of the sandals. These are called the Surf Slide sandals. All right y'all, so that is basically it. I just wanted to come on camera right quick and show y'all what I picked up from Nordstrom. I want to start doing more luxury unboxings on my channel. Now they won't be as often as other reviews, but I'm thinking maybe once a month. If you're interested in picking these up, of course there will be a link below that you can shop through. But anyway y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.